Audi's iconic five-cylinder engine has quietly hit a milestone that feels almost unreal. Next year marks 50 years since the first Audi five-cylinder arrived in the 1976 Audi 100, and instead of celebrating with a simple badge or special edition, a group of apprentices decided to build something that actually looks like a celebration. The result is the Audi GT50 concept, created by 14 apprentices in Neckarsulm, Germany. With guidance from their instructors and Timo Engler, the project took 6 months and started with something surprisingly normal, a stock Audi RS3 sedan. That normal look did not last long. The team stripped the car down completely, pulling off every exterior body panel, including the hood, doors, windows, and trunk lid, before rebuilding the whole outer shape into a sharp, motorsport-inspired design. Rather than using traditional sheet metal or carbon fiber, the GT50 body uses lightweight glass fiber reinforced plastic. The rear end leans hard into race car attitude with a large diffuser and an aggressive spoiler meant to help airflow and stability. One of the coolest details is the roof, which comes from a real Audi 80, giving the car a subtle connection to the brand older shapes, while everything else looks purpose-built for a modern track paddock. Audi racing history is basically baked into this concept. The look references legends like the Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO, and Audi has even suggested that if that race icon were created today, it might end up looking a lot like this GT50. It is not cosplay. It feels like a serious what if that landed in the real world. Inside, the RS3 cabin was stripped and refitted with true racing equipment, including a handmade roll bar that reportedly took 2 weeks to fabricate. That detail matters because it shows this was not just about styling. They put time into the kind of work you cannot fake, the kind of work that makes a car feel legitimate. Power comes from Audi 2.5-liter turbocharged, fuel, stratified injection, 5-cylinder engine. Audi has not published official output for the concept, but if it remains stock, the RS3 setup is typically around 394 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Either way, it fits the moment perfectly, a modern version of the engine that helped define Audi performance identity for decades. An Audi board member, Xavier Ross, praised the apprentices for innovation, passion, and teamwork, and projects like this make that easy to believe. Neckarsulm has a track record of apprentice-built surprises, and the GT50 feels like the latest reminder that serious creativity can come from the next generation when they are given room to build.